How to make a YouTube channel on phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open YouTube and then click on You located at bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Sign in to your Google account if you have one, or you can also create an account if you don't have. After you've done that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. But to create YouTube channel, open Chrome, search youtube.com. After that, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on desktop site. Make sure there's tick mark in desktop site. After you've done that, go back. And then click on your profile located at top right corner of your screen. Click on switch account. Switch account with the Google account you created earlier, then click on your profile again, then click on settings at the bottom. After you've clicked on settings, you will find settings pop up in this way. Zoom in and you will be able to find create a new channel, click. Then you will need to add your name and your YouTube handle and then click on create channel. After that, your channel will be created, and this is how to make a YouTube channel on phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.